Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we have another requested video here. We're going to be doing a deep dive for the Sprite object update method. So alright, first of all, thank you for this request, and this is why it's so important. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, basically how the question read was I didn't see the draw to the screen, or how was it being drawn to the screen. So alright, I think I did gloss over this a little too quickly. So let's just really look at, this is actually from Pygame, and this is the Sprite object, but it is a simple base class for visible game objects. So let's look right here. This is halfway down, and it's already built in. It takes care of it for you. Draw, put to surface, and now where we are using is we are doing the Sprite object. So, excuse me, Sprite update. So what I'm doing is I'm inheriting right here my block. And if you haven't seen inheritance, go and look up in my actually I'll put a card right here, class inheritance. So my object is inheriting everything from Sprite right here, all of these. And so then when you get to, just like right here, very similar to this, and a Sprite object is, there's the dirty little secret of everything that happens, and computers have gotten a lot better, but everything's a sprite. So when I write get, where is it? Get rect, get rect, that is saying that Python is going here and Pygame is going and saying, hey, so I put an image here, but really, if you've heard the term hitbox, this is it. So it's literally rectangles around it, smaller ones and bigger ones, and you can get fancy and stack them for, but for all intents and purposes, this is my hitbox right now. So when I click here, this happens. So let's talk about that for just a second. Let's go back here and let's look at update. So this is the method that I dropped right here, and I'm just saying, and it's actually, if we look really close, class does nothing. Excuse me, method does nothing. So it just says, hey, we're gonna make this available, and you've never heard me use this term yet, but hook. It hooks them together. It goes out, and it's very similar to inheritance. But this is a hook, and right now it does nothing, but I can put whatever, or we can put whatever. So right now I dropped in if an event happens, and we can do anything, and I'm going to add a color change. I'm going to add a random color change to really bring this home. But I do not have to do fill or draw or set the image to the surface. Sprite does it for me, and all I do is inherit it. So that's why you don't see any draw methods inside my Sprite, because Python and Pygame have already done that for me. So okay, so right now I have this, but let's really just show what I can also do. So let's do self dot image dot fill, and this is random choice, and I'll explain this in just a second. Let's bring this over so you can see it. I'm gonna drop in the colors that I've already defined: black, red, and blue. Close that out. There we go. Alright, and I'll come up here, and these were already defined. Don't want to do white because it's a white background. It's already starting out as green. So now let's run this. So now, not only will this, let's do that, not only will this move to the center of my click, it will change colors. And if you look really closely, each time through my loop, it is doing this. And this is cycling, updating every tick. So 30 ticks per second. All right? So that is why this is clicking so fast. So that is how the update works in greater detail. Python and Pygame already does a lot of the heavy lifting right here for us, and we are inheriting the sprite. And this is everything that is already predefined for us. We just go and grab it and hook it together. So there we go. Absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome question. And those are the type questions that I need from you guys, because if you have it, somebody else has the exact same question, may not have the nerve to ask it. So thank you very, very, very much. But yeah, there's update, there's image, and there's rect. All right. So fantastic job, guys. That's absolutely make sure that we are hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. We got videos coming like this all the time. I think we're at 2 weeks of requested videos. So thank you so very much. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.